I will handle everything. मैं सब कुछ संभाल लूँगा. I will handle everything. I believe in your every decision. मुझे आपके हर फैसले पर यकीन है. I believe in your every decision. This is a limit to everything. हर चीज़ की एक हद होती है. This is a limit to everything. It is all because of you. ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से है. It is all because of you. Nobody can take your place. तुम्हारी जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. Nobody can take your place. You should give up this habit. आपको ये आदत छोड़नी चाहिए. You should give up this habit. I saw with my own eyes. मैंने अपनी आँखों से देखा. I saw with my own eyes. Anyone can make a mistake. कोई भी गलती कर सकता है. Anyone can make a mistake. At least you could tell me. कम अज़ कम आप मुझे बता सकते थे. At least you could tell me. I admire your confidence. मैं आपके एतमाद की तारीफ़ करता हूँ. I admire your confidence. I don't want to argue with you. मैं तुमसे बहस नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to argue with you. I will get his work done. मैं उसका काम करवा दूंगा. I will get his work done. I am having to go every day. मुझे हर रोज़ जाना पड़ता है. I am having to go every day. I have given up bad habits. मैंने बुरी आदतें छोड़ दी हैं. I have given up bad habits. He is getting late. उसे देर हो रही है. He is getting late.